1320 chick, and today I am driving my street car to the track. Sorry, I'm just super excited. We're heading to the track. This is the first time I'll be actually dig racing since December when everything catastrophically broke. I put 300 miles on the car since the transmission's been in, so I'm going to be putting another like 30 or 40 on it, driving it to the track. I don't know why, I just had this gut feeling that said to drive it, so that's what I'm doing. I am driving it, so I'm really excited. I'm going to see you guys back at the track. Thank you. Said someone's playing copyrighted music, so I don't know if we'll be able to use this, but I'm gonna try. But yeah, we're flashing a new tune into the car and hopefully going to ship it. But I made it here with no problems and had a great drive up. So there's a streetcar shootout today. We didn't plan on running it, but they're insisting that I do. And none of the guys voted me out since I have no exhaust, and that's a rule. So I'm going to be running my first shootout of the year. That'll be fun. Wish me luck. What'd you do?
A 1050.
Really?
Yeah, my car's 60 foot. I think I let out early.
That felt fast. I'm surprised.
Well, almost there.
Hey, if it gets in,
a second?
yeah. I think I short shifted it a little bit because I wasn't sure, but
You didn't just bump it?
I did.
Oh.
But I didn't know if it was gonna wreck the shift or not.
No.
No, it still it didn't seem like it.
Yeah.
It still seemed like it went through second.
Yeah.
Hey, it was a clean pass. I needed that for my nerves. I forgot to bump it back from second into drive, so that was my bad. But this 60 foot's actually pretty good. It's getting down there, so that sucks, but I just know for next time not to. Sometimes I have to make the mistakes a few times to like have it become muscle memory, but we'll get there. So I don't get yelled at. That was a no time pass, so we don't know what he ran yet.
50 with your ass. Ah, she about to fuck him up. Hey, give me the mic. Hey,
I'm super excited. I can't believe it. I am against our friend Leo. I'll show you guys his Mustang. Should be a really good race, so I'm excited. I didn't have to make 3 passes against him. Barely made it. Got a parachute on the car. Got it. Bye, Ken. Brian's under the car right now. Our tents are toasty. You think we're good? I'm sorry, I closed that up. You want to just put it in the truck?
No, it's fine.
Okay. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. What a freaking event. What a day.
What a day.
We're gonna catch it since you guys aren't gonna be able to see us. Ooh, maybe that'll help actually. To open the sunroof on accident. I mean, we're just gonna catch up with you guys when we get home and catch our breath and you can actually see us and not have water on our glasses. So see you in a bit. So this video took a little bit longer to get together than I was expecting. I haven't really been online a lot, but I started a new job at Ford Performance. So getting acclimated into a new job has been hectic. So I've been dealing with some of that stuff this week and getting ready to go to Mustang Week for work. So basically, what ended up happening was Brian and I came home that night, ate, and passed out. So we didn't get to finish the video. But what happened was I was against Leo. Leo had the silver Mustang, and I went twice, and he DQ'd twice. So he would bump in and then bump back out. Something was wrong with the tree, and they weren't able to red light him or override it manually. So technically we both DQ'd. So it was a fun race. It was really close. A lot of people were really upset about the results of it. It was really fun. Overall, the day was a win. Do I wish I had won the $3,000? Yes. Second place didn't have a prize, so I walked away with broken tents. But I did walk away with a PB, so can't really complain. But this video was already getting too long, and I know you guys are going to ask about what happened with the transmission, so I'm going to include that in the next video. I already have most of it laid out. So we're going to talk about what happened with that and then give you guys an SN95 update. Really excited about it because it was tough for a while that we were making progress, but it was very little stuff, or it would be stuff that like wasn't entertaining to watch in a video. So we have a lot done. It's still in a stage where it looks scary, but we're getting through it and it looks amazing. Really excited about it. So hope to see whoever in Myrtle Beach if you guys are going to Mustang Week. I also have brand new shirts. I'm going to link those below. So if you guys could help and support, I really appreciate them. Those are my absolute favorite designs so far. Thank you guys for all the kind messages about missing us. My dad has been kind of sick, so it's been tough too. So that's kind of why Brian and I have been MIA online. Just spending time with family and keeping ourselves together. So I had a blast. I probably teared up a little bit. Thank you guys so much for your constant support, and I've missed you guys, and I can't wait to show you guys what's coming up next.